Medical debt impacts thousands of Ohioans, and now state lawmakers are trying to reduce some of that burden.
NBC4 State House reporter Natalie Fahmy tells us about that new bill that aims to ease the pain. Natalie.
Jared, Jennifer, while this bill is new, some are already raising red flags about it, while others tell me it could be life-changing.
Was extremely unprepared for anything like that to happen.
Olivia Hildebrandt is a cancer survivor. She was unexpectedly diagnosed with lymphoma in 2020 when she was 31. Hildebrandt says she and her husband have insurance, full-time jobs, and health saving accounts.
Essentially, we were doing what we thought, responsible adults who had income could do.
But when she got her first bill for a 3-week hospital stay, it was nothing she could have expected. $200,000.
So that was sticker shock would be a good way to put it. The cost of the treatment was just incomprehensible. I just couldn't understand how it could cost that much and just to keep me alive.
She says House Bill 257 could make all the difference for Ohioans, if nothing else, to alleviate some stress. The bill does 3 things: caps interest rates on medical debt at 3%, prohibits reporting medical debt to credit agencies, and bans wage garnishment for medical debt.
I think this policy, overreaches, and so the consequence, it could harm some of the very people it's trying to help.
That's Ray Henderman at conservative-leaning think tank, the Buckeye Institute. He tells me the bill could result in higher prices for everyone if Ohioans feel like they don't need to pay their medical bills.
So as the consequence, you could see co-payments going up, your deductibles going up, as companies and healthcare providers don't want to put themselves at financial risk for providing bad debt.
He says this will also open up the door for people who can't afford it to get new loans, and adds that if providers can't go after wages, it will force more intense avenues.
A lot of times what are you going to be looking at? Trying to repossess a car, trying to go to a court case to find out other assets they may have.
But Hildebrandt says she has one simple message.
You shouldn't have to be fighting for your life and also dealing with the effects of this debt.
Nearly 1/3 of Ohio House members, that's including Republicans and Democrats, are signed on to this legislation. I did reach out to a few major hospitals across the state. The Cleveland Clinic tells me this will not impact their operations, and Ohio State says they're still reviewing the legislation. Local for you at the State House, I'm Natalie Fahmy, NBC4.